Hi everybody and welcome to a new video. Today you're gonna learn how to add songs in Instagram story that are not available in your country or region or even in your Instagram app. So this is a simple method because what we're gonna do today is to try to use another video editor. Today I'm gonna use CapCut, but you can use InShot as well because this is quite used with Instagram. And if I go into my CapCut, I'm going to select a project I already had here. And at the bottom of my screen, as you can see, I have the option audio. So here I'm going to select again sounds. And these are the sounds or the feelings that I can choose, perhaps love. And as you can see, I have tons of music. And probably this music is gonna be available also on Instagram, but also on some other social media as TikTok. So you can have a great variety of songs to choose and to add into your video and to post in your Instagram story. Okay, that's the method that I wanted to teach you today. And that's how you can do it. Thanks for watching.